Are you getting the VAN9003 error in Valorant saying this build of Vanguard is out of compliance? Don't worry, I'll show you how to fix it quickly so you can get back to playing. If this helps, make sure to like and subscribe for more gaming fixes. The first thing you need to do is adjust Valorant's compatibility mode. Click the Windows search bar and type Valorant. Right-click it and select Open File Location. In the new window, find Riot Client Services, right-click it, and select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab, check Run this program in compatibility mode, and set it to Windows 8. Click Apply and OK. Now, restart Valorant and see if the error is gone. If the error persists, you need to enable Secure Boot in your BIOS. Restart your PC and press F2, F12, or Delete to enter BIOS. Navigate to the Security or Boot tab. Find Secure Boot and enable it. Save changes and restart your PC. This ensures Riot Vanguard is running properly. Once you're back in Windows, launch Valorant. The error should be fixed. If this helped, leave a like and subscribe for more quick gaming fixes. Still having issues? Let me know in the comments and I'll help you out. Thanks for watching.